The Middle East is smoldering with tension, grief, and mistrust, while our own societies are poisoned with divisive anger tinged with hatred. Since the Hamas attack on southern Israel on October 7th, a contagion of anti-Semitism and Islamophobia has infected our societies. The Palestinian people did not need a terrorist attack to advance the prospects of a just and lasting peace with Israel. Like the Israelis, the Palestinians were victims, guaranteed to suffer as a consequence of the Hamas attack. Only one party needed to disrupt the status quo, the regime in Tehran. One can understand why officials in Washington, London, and other capitals avoided statements about Iran that could escalate hostilities. Western governments are said to have uncovered intelligence suggesting that Iran was surprised by the Hamas attack. Never mind that well-placed Farsi-speaking officials and experts of the Iranian diaspora in our capitals have recently been exposed as agents of influence, taking direction from the Tehran regime. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Hamas-Israel hostage crisis is the fifth hostage crisis this year, masterminded by the lawless regime in Tehran. And here is where the 44-year war against the MEK and the National Council of Resistance of Iran becomes not only relevant, but central to understanding this crisis. We who know Madame Rajavi and support her 10-point plan for the future of Iran understand that for the Iranian people and the organized resistance, the major issue is achieving freedom from tyranny for the Iranian people. For the clerics ruling Iran, the NCRI represents the one and only threat that they cannot survive, a group of educated Iranian Muslims who reject the form of Islam at the heart of the regime's power. The MEK and NCRI have always said that Islam means freedom. Women can be good Muslims and have full political and legal rights, including in marriage and employment. They wear the headscarf voluntarily as a personal act of piety. The women and girls of Iran understand this well and are in open revolt against the regime. The regime has failed to govern in every other respect. Iran's currency has lost nearly half its value in the past decade.